Love Oreck. This is the first day on 4 easy payments. It's the Oreck Magnesium, a lightweight bagged upright vacuum cleaner for under £200, whereas if you bought directly from Oreck, it would be almost £300. So that's your first massive saving. And then secondly, you got 4 easy payments. And the reason I was giggling because my wonderful Becky Redfern is back with me, and she's brought loads of dust.
I know.
I mean,
vile, isn't it?
She's brought a lot of dust. Have you actually gone completely mad?
Yeah, that is from my bag. I think we did have some BT earlier, and that is from my bag. It's to show how huge, vast, enormous the bags are with the Oreck. You collect all of that dirt in comparison to what you get in a little, you know, bagless system. I mean, it's vile. I'm not proud of it. I'm very embarrassed, but it is from my vacuum at home.
Wow. Well, listen, welcome back.
Thank you very much.
Who are Oreck, first of all, people
Oreck,
who don't know the brand?
Yep, started in '63 in the hotel business. The housekeepers, everybody used them, loved them because they're so lightweight, because they did such an amazing job. Cut the cleaning time down. They're going from room to room to room. How come we can only use these in hotels? That's how they got to find their way into the domestic market. Oreck is still an American brand now, still, you know, producing the vacuums that last for years and years, give you amazing results, but their main point feature really is their weight, basically.
Yes,
this is 3.8 kilos, around about just over £8. Some people have babies bigger than that.
Yeah.
And really, and this particular one, Craig, is the Magnesium, named because we've got the frame here, made of magnesium, stronger than many, many steels out there. Really super durable, but more to the point, very, very lightweight.
And a bit more of a modern look to this one, because we had the retro ones for a while,
yeah,
but this is more modern.
Right.
Can I just quickly share with you, it's so busy on the phones. Loads of you trying to order the Today Special Value, and now people coming through and ordering the Oreck, seeing this great deal. Use Q-Cut, that's a great option. 0800 52 42 32, that's automated. Just press the buttons on the keypad if you bought from us before. Online, QVCUK.com if you're new or if you've shopped with us before. And of course, if you've downloaded the apps, get them downloaded and you can tap the apps as well. If you are waiting on the phone line, it's a free phone number, so don't worry, but there are faster ways to order as well. Right.
OK, we've got two speeds on this one, Craig. You probably haven't seen this before, so we're going to use higher speed first. Let's go straight through the dirt. I've got crafting materials, K-pop, I've got oatmeal, I've got biscuit crumbs, I've got herbs here. I have got human hair. This is my daughter's hair, and look how it's got that hair. Everybody gets the fall on their carpets. And back onto the cornmeal there. Absolutely beautiful. Back onto the crafting. It's so quick, Craig. It's so lightweight.
What's this white stuff?
Right, I'm going to just explain now.
Because this looks kind of like sticky.
Listen. That's the lower speed. So we've got that feature for really, really delicate Persian, Chinese rugs, or for very, very soft flooring, you know, hard floors, the very sensitive ones. You've got the option of the both. On my carpet here, I have got, this is pet fur, okay? This is dog fur. We love our animals, but they do find their favourite steps, their favourite place on the floor. This is pet fur, okay? Next to it, Craig, I've got something called K-pop. This is a cotton derivative, and I use this because this sticks to your carpets more than your pet fur and is an absolute devil to get off. You wouldn't be able to pick that off because it leaves a residue. Now, I just want you to see how efficiently the Oreck, because they're known for giving these amazing results, hence they were used in the hotel trade. Right, here's my pet fur. Oh, wow. Beautiful. Then onto the K-pop.
Look at that. 2 passes and it's gone.
And it just leaves the carpets looking absolutely amazing, groomed like brand new. Now I'm going to move on. I'm going to come back to this little bit afterwards. I'm saying that, but I can't leave it, can I? Now listen, that's the lower one. And then off. Now,
no dials, just a simple button.
No dials.
No dials, no sliders, no complicated buttons or anything to press. I know we've got loads more to show, but just quickly, this is a bagged vacuum cleaner.
It is, absolutely
and do you get a bag with it?
You get a bag already in situ for so you can get cracking with it straight away. Incidentally, Craig, the bag is HEPA filtration and it has a carbon lining as well, so therefore it's odour eating at the same time. Huge capacity, around about 9 litres, absolutely immense.
We've seen.
Yeah,
We've seen the sort of creature of dust that sleeps over there. And do you know, if you actually bought this actual model from the Oreck website, it's almost £300.
Isn't that incredible?
Whereas for us, it's under £200. And we also have 4 easy payments. Listen, if you want to do a spring clean with a difference this year, if you're thinking, you know what, I'm done with vacuuming, and then about half an hour later walking around and thinking, has this place been done? Order this one now.
Do you know, and it's not so much that, in fact, I'm just going to go under the sofa so you can see how low it goes. It's not just that, Craig, it's that somebody might phone and say, I'm just round the corner, do you mind if we pop round? With the Oreck, because it takes one pass, because it's so effective, because it's so lightweight, you go, yeah, I'll get it, but it goes flat. You could even store it under a bed if you wanted to. But freestanding units, under the sofas, under your chairs, there's nothing to alter it, got that low profile. Now, just to prove the point, I've got hard floor, I've got Berber, tiling, carpet, vinyl, and the carpet again. I've got onion skins, I've got coffee, I've got herbs, I've got biscuits, and I've got the horrible K-Pock again. Now, I'm going to use this on the lower...
It's a bad press, isn't it?
Yeah, no, but it's great for because it is absolutely horrible. I'm going to use the lower setting. We've got the dirt-seeking light on the front, incidentally, the massive wheels on the side, so it just propels through the deepest carpet. I'm going to go on to the lower setting. See what job it does on the lower setting. It's gone. It's gone. And it's gone. Isn't that fantastic? This is one pass backwards, Craig. And that little bit of K-pop there, absolutely brilliant job. That was on the lower setting. I wasn't even using the high setting. And I always say, the carpet here, the Oreck carpet, I've used for years. It's very, very deep, thick pile, and it comes up looking like new. Sam, who does the Northern Nights, she said, we're a bit sad actually, because but when I got my Oreck, we went into my child's bedroom, she said, and we were like, oh, look at them, they look like brand new ones.
Yeah. And did you notice,
as
Becky went through the different floor types here, there was never any trouble. There's never any switching things or changing buttons or changing settings. Just went all the way through. So if you've got a variety of floor types in your home, this is perfect. Listen, maybe you didn't wake up this morning thinking, I know, today I'll buy a new vacuum cleaner. But actually, whilst we've got this deal, whilst you're seeing Becky show you how easy it is to use, and you've got the 4 easy payments, even if you're brand new, which are interest-free. So we're now March, April, May, June, you'll be paying for this until, but you'd have it over the next few days, and you've actually got all that time to pay it off interest-free. Because it might be more expensive than you'd normally pay for a vacuum cleaner. So this means then you can jump up to this calibre vacuum cleaner and get those that wonderful feeling you get from a really clean home.
Spring cleaning you can do in super quick time. But you know,
please, can we stay away from the animal of dust here?
This does show you the capacity and what you get. Now, this is my old Oreck vac bag. It's not the one you get in this machine. It's the previous model, and that's what I had because this one's new. It's the same size bag. Absolutely enormous.
It's like something from Alien, this, isn't it? Look.
Now, in a bagless vacuum, the little canisters are about a litre and a half. And I have got the thing here in the studio, you can see.
Gosh.
Now, this is me opening my bag. Craig, I have to say, I was still getting the same amazing suction power with that amount of stuff in it. It's absolutely true. It's from home. It is dreadful. We're just a regular family, 2 kids, 2 of us, and a cat and a dog, and that is the state. But it's still picked up because we've got the top fill system. We've got the amazing brush roll that whizzes around 7,000 revs per minute. And we have got, you get that amazing suction, Craig, when you've got airflow. And on this, we've got 102 miles per hour of airflow. The huge surface area of the HEPA bag would all create that complete non-clogging effect. And when you get that continual sort of like air passage there, that's when you get that amazing suction. And still, with that amount of dirt, I was getting great suction.
So what's
fantastic
this tube for with the dust? Is that for anything?
Now, this is the equivalent of what you get in a kind of like a dust bucket on a bagless system. That, and you're emptying this at the bin, it's a plume of dust comes up. How often do you have to empty that?
Oh, so this is where we talk about bag versus bagless.
Exactly, compared to that. Now, we recommend you look at your bags around about every 4 to 6 weeks. Nah, that one lasted me months and months and months. We wouldn't necessarily recommend it, but you can.
Some of us never really look in our bags. Listen, we've only got about a minute and a half left.
Okay, now I just want to show you, again, all sorts of biscuits and coffee and all sorts on a white carpet, on a cream carpet.
Is there a light as well?
Is there what?
Is there a light?
There's a light, a dirt-seeking light at the front.
Yeah. Can you see the light at the front as well?
Look at that. Yeah. Beautiful. Also, Craig, I do want to just tell you, we have got something called Enduralife.
Enduralife?
An Enduralife. Now, normally you have a belt, like a thumb belt, don't you? You don't need it on this because should you pick anything up, like a sock or a cloggage or anything like that that could jam in, it will automatically shut down your Oreck and you will restart it. You can get rid of any blockage. You know, if you just inadvertently pick something up, and it happens to all of us, that you are safeguarded with the Oreck because it shuts down and then you can just restart it. But it's the Enduralife. You never have to change that belt. It is for the life of the vacuum and they last for years and years and years.
Is it me or is there a fragrance or am I dreaming this?
No, it's fennel seeds.
I was thinking, well, I can smell something sort of herbal and...
Yeah. No, that's what it is.
Wow, okay.
Now, I'm finishing off here, Craig. But again, I am the lowest setting. So, you know, if you want to whiz around at night, maybe you've got your neighbours are in bed, maybe the kids are in bed. If you want to do it for, you know, you want to do it on those delicate carpets, all of it going on, and you're over there finishing off my carpet. Thank you
I didn't want to leave this dusty over here.
Oh, lovely, thank you.
Here we are, done.
Beautiful.
There you are.
Thank you.
Don't say the men never lift a finger around the house. It's not true.
It isn't true.
Thanks, Becky.
Thank you.
First day on 4 Easy Payment, that's our Oreck Magnesium. And, of course, you can order that by calling the free phone number or online at QVCUK.com. You've got a 30-day money-back guarantee. You've got 4 months, 4 paydays to pay for your vacuum cleaner. And, of course, it's going to be interest-free on those easy payments.